The HikVision CCTV model TVI-8CH4D4B is complete package and plug-and-play and easy to install. You can watch live view from PC, Mac, smartphone and tablets. What is in a box of HikVision 8-channel Turbo HD kit? 8 pieces of coaxial 12-meter cable, 8-way splitter, and power adapter. 4 pieces indoor 720p camera and 4 pieces 1080p outdoor camera. 1-piece DVR with hard drive and accessories. It is bought with warranty and receipt of 12,400 pesos with 1 terabyte original hard drive. The Seagate 1 terabyte SkyHawk need to install inside of DVR. After install hard drive, it need you to create your password. You see here a 1080 camera test out of 8. Yes, it easy to install.
Visit knowinsidegadget.blogspot.com to know more what inside this stuff and test result. Subscribe to Phoenix Emer. You can learn what you wanted to see.